Here we have the Dingo TX1000, and we've got this little wheel here that's rubbing on this red frame, and what it looks like, there's a bearing inside of this that gave way, and so now the wheel came closer and is rubbing on this metal chassis. So we're gonna have to take that bolt off and the belt off and get to that wheel there to replace the bearing or the whole unit down there. So look for more videos to highlight some of the details on that. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.